Hi guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. In this video, I will show you how to create a client OPC UA on Python to write aside the server. So here I have my OPC UA control menu, and as you can see, I can, for example, close the valve inside my tank. I could also open it. I can change the flow rate, for example 2.5. Here you can see that it took the change. I can change the unit. It's for the writing with strings. I can read with my client the state of my tank, and of course I can exit my client with it. So for this video I will just take the same client that I used for my reading. Here you can see that it's the same client, and we will make our modification here. Okay, so let's start now with a while here, true. So what I'm gonna do, I will just create my menu control. So and OPC UA control menu. Here we have it. So I'm just letting this because I will use it for my choice, my fifth choice, sorry, to just show the state and display it in my screen. Okay, then there will be print. The first choice will be to open valve. I'll just copy paste. I copy paste it. So the second will be to close the valve. The third will be change flow rate. The fourth change unit, and the fifth read current value. And of course we'll print with the O for the exit. Okay, and now we create a variable called choice, and we will ask our user to put and choose what he wants to do inside my server, if it's for changing the state of the valve or something else. Okay, and then it will be just the funny part. For example, here, open valve, what is the choice 1? Okay, I will use the if condition. So if choice equal to 1, okay, the state set value, so this is the command to write inside my server, it's true. So here I'm saying that if it's 1, open the valve. So change the method to open. and print valve open it. Okay, we will do the same thing. Here you can see that it will just be a copy paste. So here open valve, so here it will be close valve, choice to here we will change for false, closed, and of course don't forget here it will change to elif. Okay, and let's continue with this. Here it will be the choice 3, close valve, here it will be change flow rate, elif choice equal to 3. Here we will just change something here, because here we ask to write the new flow rate. So what we do, we create a variable called unit value, sorry, float input new flow rate value. Okay, and here we just change it to flow rate set value, and here we will replace it with the value. So the variable that we will put here, we will use it to set the new value and set our flow rate node. Okay, and here it will be flow rate set to something value. Here I forget something. Yes, this is it. Okay, we will do the same thing with the unit. So here change flow rate, it will become change unit. We chose our choice for, yes, tac value. Here instead of value we'll call it new unit. Of course it's not a float, it's just strings, so we take off this, input new unit value, or what we can do, as I did in my example, we use it ls on deciliter or meter cubic per hour. Okay, here we will change it to new unit, and also here new unit. Just be sure to not make error when you're writing with the syntax. Be sure of what you are doing. Okay, then here we use this. That's why I didn't take it out, because you know, I'm a little lazy, so I didn't want to rewrite all this. So to display, wait, I will just copy paste. No, let's do it like this. Equal 5 and here we will use it, I think. Tac. Okay. I done in this here. So if I choose the fifth choice, I will just display the current state of my tank level, flow rate, and valve state, as I did in my example, okay? And then elif choice is. Always put comment in your code. So here it will be with current value and the choice 5. Here it will be exit the client choice equal 0. If choice equal 0, print exciting client, and here we will break. And to end else print invalid choice. If someone want to write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so at S we will know that we can use it in our control menu. And of course the time slip will be of 0.5. We need it to be quick so that we will enter new command quickly in our server. So I have that. I don't know why I have this. Did I make mistake somewhere? No, it's because of this. Yeah. I hope everything is fine. Let's just try it now. So I will launch my server. My server is working. Now I will launch my client. I will drop the window here. Yeah, everything is fine. I hope it will work. So let's close it. As you can see, it's not working. It's closed. Let's open it again. Yeah, it's work. Now let's change the flow rate. Like I did before, 2.5. Now we'll try with 10. Yeah, it took it here. So you can see, let's change the unit to LS. Yes, it's working. Let's read our current value. I got it here. And let's break and exit. Disconnected from the server. So this is for my client, writing client on OPC UA with Python. I hope that it will be useful in your project and it will help you in the future for this. So please don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment below the video.